Hey, what's going on, good people? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Packed Cooking. It's your boy, Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Today, we going up a notch. We got meatball subs. It's not just the regular old meatball subs. That's right, baby. We got one chicken, one beef. Stick around. This is Jam Packed Cooking. Let's eat. Episode 19. We going up a notch, baby. All right, good people, what's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. It's Chef Ray, Mr. Money, right here on Jam Packed Cooking. So like I say, today, we doing meatball subs. We're gonna start off quick. Let's go ahead and get the Sterno 5106 fired up once again. Let's lock it in. Yep, we ready. To this cast iron skillet, I got about 1/4 cup to 1/3 of a cup vegetable oil. Let's start with our beef. So on the beef, we doing a cheddar and jalapeno blend. We got 1.5 pounds of beef in here. About a tablespoon of SPG and a tablespoon of magic dust. Tablespoon of cayenne pepper, a tablespoon of paprika. Put in a teaspoon of cumin, about a teaspoon of worship sauce. Let's get in the jalapenos. We did diced jalapeno, fresh jalapeno. And that's about a tablespoon of diced jalapenos and a tablespoon of diced onion. It's really a fine dice, more of a mince. To that, let's add 1 egg, a 1/2 cup of the breadcrumbs. These just original fine grind breadcrumbs. They're not seasoned with anything, just regular breadcrumbs. Get in here with your hands after that and give it a mix. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna incorporate this cheese. I wanna go ahead and get everything mixed in first. Don't overwork your beef, because you can't make it where it'll be dry, rough, and tough. But we don't want that over here at Jam Packed Cooking, baby. We want it just right, juicy, tender, crispification on the outside, and these meatballs finna go all the way up a notch. We're gonna call that about 1/2 cup of shredded cheese, shredded cheddar cheese. Of course, it's gonna give you the melty, ooey gooey. We're using this skillet because we're gonna get the crispification on the outside. Once you got everything incorporated, let's get it out on the sheet here. We're gonna section it off. That's a meatball. Yeah, we're not doing no wimpy meatballs over here. These are big boys, all the way. 4 meatballs, that's about even. Check this temperature of the oil. Take your little piece of onion, drop it in there. She ready to cook. Get it down. We're gonna keep turning on every side just to get all 4 sides marked with the crispification. 2 to 3 minutes on each side. We'll see how it work out though. Let's start on our chicken. You don't eat beef? I got your chicken. And after that, you on your own. So to this chicken, look, same thing. Let's add about a teaspoon SPG, tablespoon of magic dust, Big SMOKEYS, bbq.com for your magic dust. To the chicken, we did a tablespoon of the magic dust, teaspoon of lemon pepper, teaspoon of oregano. We're gonna do some sweet red bell pepper, 1/4 cup of minced bell pepper, and tablespoon of minced onions. Check on your beef real quick. Let's check on these beef. Make sure they do it. Look at that. Just that fast, they got the crispification on there. So let's go ahead and give them a flip. You don't want them to burn, you just want them to brown, just like that. Lock in all the juices and make sure everything is good. Back to the chicken. Let's get 1 egg in there. About a 1/2 cup of the breadcrumb. That's gonna help us, that's gonna bond it, help everything stay together the same as the beef. Let's get our chicken pulled out on the mat. All right, good people, that's 4 chicken meatballs, 4 beef. Let's get the other side of this beef browned up, and we almost there. The purpose of browning the outside on these meatballs is to lock in the juice, lock in the moisture. And trust me, it does work. We're not trying to fully cook the meatballs in this pan. We just, like I told you, we just want to build a crust on the outside. We're gonna pull it out, preheat the oven to about 350. Of course, they going in, baby. So look here, this is what we got here. 6-inch baguettes. Split them in half. They nice, airy, fluffy. Let's get the chicken in. So this chicken got all the crispification it's gonna get on it. Let's pull the chicken. They're going right here on this tray with the beef. These are not fully cooked. We're gonna finish cooking these in the oven. We preheated the oven to 350. We're gonna get them in the oven, baby. But look at these jumbo meatballs. Those meatballs, you want to cook them at internal temperature about 160, and they'll still be juicy and delicious. Now, in this little sauce bowl right here, we add in about 3 tablespoons of butter and a tablespoon of minced garlic. Let's get it mixed up. Take your garlic butter spread and get it all in there. Put enough garlic and butter on this thing where it get all in the crevices. It's gonna have everything tasting just right. Y'all know how we do it Jam Pack Cooking, baby. We don't play no games. The chicken, we're gonna dust it with a little dusting of oregano and lemon pepper. For the beef, hit it with just a dusting, a little cumin. Both of them gotta get, you know it, the magic dust. Oh yeah, we season it to the max. Let's get these in the oven. We got the oven preheated to 350. So we're gonna set them in there, let all this get happy, real melty. Melty is the word. All right, since we got those in the oven, this is what we're gonna do. Let's go ahead and get the sauce made for ourselves, baby. On the chicken sub, we doing a buffalo sauce. And we're gonna top it with a spicy ranch. It's gonna be delicioso. But anyways, on this buffalo sauce, 3 tablespoons of butter, teaspoon of minced onion, and let that do its thing. Let that get real happy. Teaspoon of worship sauce. Then the magic, baby. Best hot sauce, your favorite hot sauce. 2/3 cup of hot sauce in that. A pinch of the magic dust. Turn it down. We want it to reduce and thicken up. We want you to drop your favorite sandwich down in the comment below. Cause all this week here, we're gonna be doing sandwiches, different kind. We starting with the meatball subs, and we probably end with a gigantic. You never know when you're jamming with the Jam Pack Cooking, baby. This whole week, sandwiches. You let us know which sandwich you want us to create. Customize it. Leave it down in the description. Send it to my email. Take a picture of it. You make it. Send it to me. And we're going to get it right just for you, Jam Pack Cookers. On our beef, we're going with a MUMBO sauce. I'll leave a link down in the description. I might put it up on the screen somewhere, maybe right here. But you got to watch that video and it tell you step by step on how to make this MUMBO sauce. Let's make our spicy ranch. Spicy ranch is real simple. A 1/4 cup of ranch. What we want to do, since our sauce is ready now, teaspoon of that. Dash of magic dust. This is gonna take your spicy ranch to a whole nother level on your chicken sandwich. That's right, chili habanero. All right, we're gonna get about a teaspoon in here. This is muy caliente. And just like that, this is done. Get it in an ice box, let it chill. It's just how you want this bread. Crispification to the max. Oh yeah, soft in the middle. It's got the crispy outside. Just what we looking for, baby. We got a brand new podcast, anchor.fm/JPC. I'll put it on the screen right here. It's gonna be anchor.fm/JPC. We always turned up on there. This week is sandwich week. Y'all can even go on there every Sunday. We tune in every Sunday. We got a new episode dropping every Sunday. Tune in, send me a message, send us a message, we'll get back at you. We're gonna be live on our Facebook page, live on our Instagram page. You can get all that. We'll leave the link to all that down below. But make sure you tune in. Sandwich week in full effect. So we're gonna start with our chicken. Take your meatballs, split them right down the middle. See all that juice? They still juicy. Look at that. That's why when you cook these things, you wanna put that crust on the outside to hold it in. So let's build it. Take your spicy ranch, get it down on the bottom half. Don't be stingy with the spicy ranch. Spicy ranch, check. The meatballs down, stack them just like that. You know not to be stingy with the meatballs, baby. Yeah, we going green. We gotta get the broccoli on here. This is sandwich week, man. We going in. Top of this broccoli, the buffalo sauce we created. We're gonna drizzle right up top. Don't use all of it. Just a little bit of do the body good. Yes, Lord. It ain't easy being cheesy. Shredded mozzarella cheese on the beef. Oh yeah, juicy, cheesy. Look at that. This is MUMBO sauce. I told y'all you have to go and check out that video. You wanna line both of your insides with the MUMBO sauce. Don't be stingy with the MUMBO sauce. Take it all the way up to the next level, baby. Make sure you get them on there good, just like that. We going in with the fries. We going with the fries. We ain't playing no games. Come back with the MUMBO jumbo sauce, baby. Don't be stingy with the MUMBO sauce, all right? It ain't easy being cheesy, baby. Put them in the oven. It's on 350. Let all that cheese melt. We ready to rock and roll, baby. All right, good people. Look what we got. Yes, Lord. We got the beef, baby. And we got the chicken, baby. You get it with the extra sauce, the sauson. Chicken with the buffalo, same scenario. The extra sauson, baby. For the big reveal, out on the beef, on his cousin. Yes, Lord. Say less. Look, we gotta get in there. Come here. Come here. Got the beef, the fries, the mumbo sauce, the cheese. Oh, the jalapeno, chicken with the sweet bell pepper, spicy ranch, buffalo sauce. Got the broccoli, and we got the crispy bread and the mozzarella cheese. This is Sandwich Week, episode 1, Jam Pack Cooking. You watching this today, it's Sunday. Make sure this is Sandwich Week all week. We even doing an extra episode, so check it out. Today, man, it's Mr. Money Chef Ray. I love you for watching. I appreciate you for watching. It's all I got for you today. This is Sandwich Week. Don't forget to go tune in Sunday. Yep, today you watching this Sunday. Go on over to anchor.fm/JPC and see what we're kicking about on that podcast. We got a brand new podcast, Jam Pack Cooking. Till next time, y'all smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell, because we always jamming and cooking. Peace and love. Mr. Money Chef Ray. Till next time.